Now, this is Wolfram Greiner. He is launch manager for the 1 Series. Now, 2.5 years ago, you launched the 1 Series and entered the most competitive market in the car industry. How did you do?
When we launched the 1 Series 2.5 years ago, we gave him everything with it what a true BMW needs.
Yeah.
All the BMW typical genes, like rear-wheel drive, like a long wheelbase, short overhangs, and finally, excellent engines.
So it's been a success story. I'm looking at the 5-door over there. But 2.5 years later, you've made a few modifications.
We updated it. We have some slightly modifications in the exterior. We significantly enhanced the interior quality appeal, and for sure, as the 1 Series is the spearhead of the EfficientDynamics strategy, we have new engines and a complete set of measures to improve fuel efficiency while even enhancing performance.
Wow. And on top of that, you've also launched a new 3-door.
Yes, we have two new things, two new cars. We have the 5-door that you see here, with a model update, and we have a complete new member in the 1 Series family, the 3-door.
The 3-door.
Here it is.
Okay. So in both the 5-door and the 3-door, you really, the 1 Series really spearhead the EfficientDynamics, don't they? I mean, there's EfficientDynamics systems going on in all the BMW cars, I think, but this is what really shows that in full.
Well, I'm glad to say this is the spearhead for the EfficientDynamics strategy. We have the completest package of measures in the 1 Series. We have several things: brake energy regeneration, we have an air intake control, and one of the most important things is auto start stop. And we wouldn't have been BMW, Bayerische Motorenwerke, if we wouldn't have new engines as well, high precision injection with a lean combustion, and we have all new 4-cylinder diesel aluminum engines.
Okay, so I want to talk to you about the benefits to the customer. You've got a little phrase for me, haven't you? The one...
Yes, 1 liter less, 1 second faster. This
1 liter less, 1 second faster.
That's right. This is where BMW EfficientDynamics comes to a real customer benefit.
So explain it to me. It means you're using 1 liter less.
Yes.
And you're going from 0 to 100, say, 1 second faster.
That's right. Previously it was 7.4, now we're 6.4, and that's very amazing.
It is.
And while not being a slow car, even accelerating the performance and the acceleration.
Okay, so talk to me about the design, the shape, the changes on this 3-door here.
The most prominent changes here are it's a 3-door.
Yeah, so why have you made a 3-door? Well, I mean, what's the difference?
Okay.
Who buys a 3-door?
There are different demands in the market. We know it from the market research. There are younger and more modern customers that, who seek for a sportier and a more stylish car.
No children.
No children.
For them. It's just for them.
And the contrary to that, they do not put so much emphasis on the space in the rear. And you see it, it's quite a cool car.
But it sounds great. I'm going to have to get in and take a look.
I appreciate it.
Okay, so you get in the car and immediately you realize, well, I get what you were saying, it's a cool car. You feel cool in it.
Absolutely, and one of our main efforts was in the interior to further enhance the quality appeal of the car. It's a cool car, but it's a premium car, it's a BMW. Now when you look here, you have a perfect grain, a new grain, you have a very short gear shifter, you have a new sport steering wheel, you have new aluminum rings, you have this programmable keys.
So talk to me about the iPod. So this is your display here.
This is our iDrive
like so.
display, and we have here the iDrive controller.
Well, there's obviously fantastic features in here, but there's one thing I particularly like. You put your iPod here, and you've got its own little USB connection here. Plug it in, comes up on the screen here, and you can use a toggle here in the middle just to scroll through all your songs and choose a song.
You have all the menu you know from the iPod. Playlists, sorted by artists, by genre, and so forth. You have the true iPod design. And not only an iPod, you can do it with a sheer USB stick.
Which seems like a small thing, but for some people that's a major selling point.
Absolutely, especially for the younger and modern target group this car was made for.
Brilliant. I'm going to have to get out before I steal it.
I agree.
Love it.